Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So I'm trying out a few new products today. First is this art board from Archangel Art Studio, and they sent me this really cool wood board to try out. I will put the link down in the description, but they have all kinds of different shapes and sizes, and these are like really sturdy boards, so they're really awesome. And then I'm going to be doing resin today with Stone Coat Countertops Art Coat, and I'm trying out these new Cobalt Butterfly colors that I got. So these are the pigment pastes for resin. This is the color Poppy. So this is the bigger jar that they have available on their website, or they have these really cool little kits. Look at how awesome this is. So it comes with all these just little ones, so you can try the colors out. And it's a great kit. Super affordable. So I'll put the link for that description down in the description as well. Okay, so I'm gonna set those aside. So I'm using the Stone Coat Countertops Art Coat, and I'm going to be using Stone Coat Countertops White Base Tint, and then these are the Cobalt Butterfly colors. So I believe this is Poppy, Iris, and I actually don't know what this one is. It's a dark blue, though it's really pretty. I really like this orange. This is really pretty. And then this is the purple, which I believe is the iris. All right, so we're gonna get started here. I'm gonna actually move this aside. Okay. And I don't remember if I said it, but I did prime this with paint and primer in one. So it comes just the natural wood look. And then I put some of that on there. So we'll get started here. And this is not a video on how to mix resin. For that video, check down in the description. I will once again post a link. So anyone that's getting started with resin should check that out. I'm going to put a bit of clear over here. So if you put, say, white on everything, then it's going to mix everything with white. But because we have a white background, we can put clear on here, and that way we'll get to see both the colors by themselves, and then we'll see the colors mixed with the white over here. So like here's some of this dark blue, and that's not mixed with anything. When we put it over here, it's going to mix with the white, and we'll get different shades of blue. This blue is really pretty. Okay. And I don't often use orange, so I'm really excited about this orange. And we'll do the same with the purple here. I'm going to put the purple right in the middle, so it'll mix with the clear and the blue. I think I'm going to put some on the corner over here. All right, and here we go with the orange. I think the orange will look really pretty with this blue. Not quite sure how it will do with the purple, but we'll see. All right, I have a bit more white. I'm just gonna fill in some of the edge over here. Okay. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna help it along on the edges with my hands, and then I'm going to apply the heat gun, and I'm going to move it around. So for that part, I will speed it up a bit, and we'll turn the volume down. Okay, so this is just gorgeous, and it's layer, it has a lot of depth to it, which I love, and I am loving these colors. And also just a shout out for this art board. It it was so smooth. Everything just flowed beautifully on it. And as you can see, like a canvas, it's not sinking in the middle, obviously. When you have resin on canvas, it can sink in the middle and cause some troubles. We got some really cool cells in here. So I'm going to go ahead and do a close-up. And I love this orange. So this is the side that I did the clear on, which this was also a bit of an interesting experiment because as you can see, we didn't really get any cell action on this side. But over here where it comes into contact with that Stone Coat Countertops white base tint, we did definitely get cells throughout there. So that's just an interesting note that base tint really, really does help if you are interested in creating cells. It really makes a big difference. That being said, this side is still gorgeous, even without any cells. I think it looks beautiful. I love that orange. I'm not an orange person at all, but I really love that orange. I think I said that in some video, and people got into an argument over whether I didn't like oranges or the color orange. I was like, I like both, just in moderation. I really like those cells. It's really cool. And the orange, I don't know, personally, I think it looks great with that blue. So there you have it. All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Definitely check out all these products. I will list them down in the descriptions, along in the description with the link to buy them if you're interested. And then Cobalt Butterfly actually sent me a really cool discount. So you can get $2 off of any starter kit with the code MMG. And that will expire on June 30th this year. So definitely check them out. Try out one of their really cool starter kits or their 2-ounce pastes because they got some great colors. And otherwise, I will see y'all next time.